Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on this eye look right here. I am using the ABH Norvina palette volume 1, and mainly because they have a lot of spring colors like pink and purple, as you can see on my face. Also, I'm wearing lashes, and I usually don't wear lashes, so I'm making it a habit to try on lashes when I do makeup, mainly because I want to be perfect at wearing them. I will put the lash information down below, and I think I'll also mention it later on in this video. If you like these type of videos, keep on watching and let's get started. So I did most of my face first. I'm going to finish it after this look, but I specifically wanted to make this an eye makeup tutorial. So I prepped my eyes with my Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer in I think J11. So I like using this palette mainly because it has my favorite color in it, purple. The whole packaging is purple. But this is a good palette for spring mainly. When you open it, like I said, it has purple and pink shades, but it also has other colors as well, like yellow, and it has a good amount of shimmers in it. So I thought my first spring look would be on this palette. So I'm going to jump right in. So the first shade I'm going to use is C5, and I'm going to start that color on my crease. When I first did this look, I realized how pigmented these colors are, so a little does go a long way. You just have to really blend them out, which I love. I love pigmented eyeshadows, so I think this palette is definitely worth the money. So you can get it at both Sephora and Ulta, and it is $60. I had to check real quick to give y'all the correct information. But when Sephora have their sale, you can always get 15 or 10% off, or 20 depending on what tier you are in their rewards program. I'm pretty sure you can get a discount from Ulta with their coupons as well. So depending on where you shop at determines how much you may get off. But yeah, I really love this eyeshadow. I also have the volume 3, which I will be doing a tutorial on as well. The second shade I'm going to be using is E5, and I'm going to put that on top of the crease color that I put on first, just to deepen up that crease and add some dimension. For some strange reason, when I put these two colors together on camera, it looks purple, but it's two different brown shades. One is redder than the other. Next, I'm taking the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer and putting a little bit on my lid just to clear that area up, because when I put my lid shades on, I want them to pop. For my brow bone, I'm going to be using the shade A1. This is like a shimmery lilac color, and I'm not even swiping it on my brow bone. I'm like literally dabbing it, because a little, like I said, goes a long way, and I just want it to be subtle. I don't want it to be too much. So the first color I'm putting on my lid is B5. I think that's the right color, and I'm putting it on my lid. Now this color, I had to literally pack on to see it on my lid, because maybe it's a darker color, I don't know, and it probably blends more within my skin tone. But if I just keep on dabbing, you'll see that my lid gets darker, and that's another reason why I put on the the concealer before I put this color on my lid. Now I'm taking C3 and I am putting that on top of that dark purple shade. It's basically a pink shimmer shade, and I decided to use this one on my lid because it's probably one of my favorite colors in this palette. Next, I'm taking B3, which is another pretty pink, and I'm going to be putting that in my inner tear duct. I'm going to be adding some more purple into my look. I'm basically taking A3 and I'm putting it in between the brow bone shade and the crease shade. This part is optional. I'm taking B1 and I'm putting it in my lower lash line. Usually I don't put colors or shades down there, but I want to do it for this look. This palette is also filled with a lot of shades, so I want to make sure I use as many shades as possible so you can see how these colors look. Now I'm using my Milani eyeliner. I'll put the description down below because I forgot the name. And I am just lining my eyes. Last but not least, I'm going to put on these lashes, and here is the final look. Hopefully you like it. I really enjoyed creating this look. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section and I will reply as soon as possible. And see you in the next video. Bye.